Hi and welcome to this week's Schitt Pit here on Infact Plays Games. Today with me PJay and
Jimmy.
And we're going to play Trials Fusion, so let's see who's the best.
Okay, let's do this.
First map.
You're going down.
I already did. Yeah. This. Yeah, I want to take the road.
Okay, I'll take the same.
Why do you take the same?
Why?
Yeah, why?
Because it makes it fairer.
No.
Yeah, it does.
You have to take the bike.
Try not to wake up Mom.
Okay, I'm still Team Red and you are Team Blue.
Yes.
So let's.
Come on, hurry up.
No.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Ah, fuck. Bleep that out.
Yeah. No, we can say fuck. This is the English-speaking versions of our videos.
We can.
Yeah.
Okay.
I say we
Shit,
can.
piss, fuck, cunt, cock, motherfucker.
I hate censorship.
Who doesn't? Censors.
A lot of people. Yeah. No. Yeah.
Ah! Wow! He lost his head.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
Yeah, you're going down, Jimmy.
So are you. What?
Yeah, you were really late.
Are you kidding me?
It was too late. Yeah. So, Seaside Derby. Let's have a good, clean race, Jimmy.
I'll give you the freaking good, clean race.
Good, clean race.
I'll give you the good, clean race.
No, things like that.
Ah, come on!
Yeah.
Come on.
Ah, why did he block there? This sucks so
Oh, come on!
No! This is so stupid. Yeah, I finished.
Well, 14-8.
6 points.
It's okay. It's
That's
still
okay,
the beginning.
Yeah.
It's not the end of the world. It's not like it's Mad Max.
So you're gonna witness me winning now? Is that what you want
Why?
to say with
Because
Mad
winning
Max?
isn't everything. It's the only
It's
thing.
the only thing, yeah. Here we go. No, why? I always do the same mistakes.
Ah, I always land so hard.
Yeah.
Ah, come on, Baba. Or not. Really? Really? This bike's worse than a horse.
No. No, I always take this bike, or sometimes I take the Pit Viper for harder maps, but...
With a nice little flip
yeah,
at the end.
I saw. You know, but this bike has a little more horsepower than the Pit Viper.
It's
Pit
also
Viper is
the-
better for
I played with the Pit Fighter. It's too savage for me. It's just too agile.
handling is
Yeah,
very
it's really
fast.
hard. It's really hard.
So it's good for some very acrobatic maps.
Yeah.
But for these kinds of maps, the road is just better.
just got that extra oomph.
I don't like that you are in front of me.
Oh, that's fast. Ah, come on! Ah! That handling is awful.
Oh, you have to get used to it.
Yeah, I know. It's not awful. I mean, my handling is awful. Well, at least this one was a smooth landing. I just get too much air. I mean, if you
Yeah,
know,
you have to.
If
no,
you know
I'm not going to help you.
No, I know. If you know,
No.
if you know your stuff, the basic of this thing is you don't always need to go full
speed.
full
Yes,
throttle. Yeah.
exactly.
Sometimes you just gotta drop at the like that. You
It's
gotta
exactly
drop
that,
the
yeah.
accelerator just
No!
before just before the end.
Okay, I have to
Focus.
pick up the pace here.
Well, you're still ahead, so it's not.
How did that work? The map before you were ahead, no? And now I'm second.
No, the thing is that I'm crashing way more than you.
Okay, no, it's. I always look there.
Yeah, no, the thing is I'm crashing more than you.
Yeah.
Hey, School of Rock.
Release your inner winner.
School of Rock, man.
Or release your inner winner.
Don't go there.
No, I don't want to go to your inner winner. Yeah, I forgot it too. Yeah.
Come on, don't do a freaking wheelie. What?
No, you see, now you...
Yeah, no, that wouldn't cut it. 9 points.
9 points. That's okay.
It's not okay.
So, now we're coming to the halfway point with the 6th track. Yelling.
Yelling at opponents, huh?
I don't yell in my life, except when I'm singing.
I yell a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, the track shifting in is a bit, well, it distracts you.
Yeah. I like that though. I think.
Yeah, no, it's a nice little
Yeah,
effect, but
yeah.
see,
Yeah.
come on. And then it opens up and you fall.
Oh. Why?
Ah, just went too much on the.
No! No! Ah! Okay.
That's 11 points already. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
I'm just not that lucky. Okay, there's not much luck into this game, but
Oh, in this mode, it's all a bit luck.
yeah, it
Not
mainly depends
everything.
where you spawn.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
get it. I get
Yeah.
it.
Not everything, but sometimes.
Here comes the futuristic
Golf
track.
course.
Yeah. You know, some of these levels kind of remind me a bit of Mirror's Edge. The futuristic city and
Yeah.
all of that.
That's true. Why are you in
I
front?
mean,
I don't
it
get.
kind of is Mirror's Edge.
Yeah.
It's bike parkour.
Oh god. And then
That
it's going to
was-
start me there, you know? How can I...
Finally.
You see, now you're getting a lot of points. Oh,
Ah,
1 point.
Nice. Okay. I'm a bit more happy.
Yeah, I can.
Just a bit. I
see.
still gotta get ahead of you. And stay ahead.
Second place is first loser, you see?
That's why.
Yeah.
That's why. Nice start. See, the freaking ghosts sometimes, you just can't see them sometimes.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh god, what is it?
Ah, darn it.
Oh no! No! I always
I
do
feel
the
like I'm
same
doing
shit.
worse now. That was the ending?
Yes, I didn't know it too. I was thinking, now what's gonna happen? We're going to crash
Yeah.
into the wall?
Well, see? The way to beat you is to not let you reach the finish.
Yeah. Pipeline pressure.
No shoving during multiplayer.
I really hope they include the normal multiplayer mode like in online multiplayer to the local.
Split screen.
Yeah. Either split screen or I don't know, but
Yeah, this way is kind of...
also the maps, you know,
Different.
in the online multiplayer at the beginning you also just had these maps. Then patch after patch they included the single player maps
Yeah.
to the online multiplayer, which is so much more fun.
Come on!
No! Yeah! That was close.
2 points. Okay. I can still do it. I can still do it.
This is too close.
And I didn't shove you.
Yeah.
I was thinking about
I shoved
but
you
then-
before we started.
Yeah,
so,
no,
so
I was
don't,
thinking about shoving you, but then
Yeah.
I was so focused in the race.
don't look for excuses. A winner is you. What's that? A winner is you.
All your base belongs
Yeah,
to us.
yeah. It's our belong to us, no?
Yeah. Sorry, internet.
Yeah, you know, they're gonna correct us after this.
Yeah.
So if someone, I'm gonna stop talking. No.
If someone what?
has
No,
forgotten the colors of us, I'm still red and you are blue.
Yeah, well, I don't forget it. But
Yeah,
you.
yeah, we don't forget it, but
No, you forget it.
yeah, yeah.
Oh, that hurt.
Oh no! What the fizzle? And then
That's a bit ridiculous.
yeah. Oh no! This sucks so much.
Oh, come on,
No!
babe! Yes!
Oh,
But I think the
Now
score...
it's
I don't think
even.
No, I lost the point.
You had 3
I
falls.
yeah, I crashed twice.
Why do I worry?
Well, pigeons and squirrels.
2 more maps.
Who are you talking to?
I don't know. I have sometimes.
I'm your enemy.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Oh god, what a beautiful start.
What a beautiful non-beginning.
Come on. I'm gonna crush you!
Ah! Oh yeah, this... Great.
Yeah, this is very...
Oh look,
Yeah.
they're ahead.
Okay, okay.
Woo! Or not.
No, no! What the fuck? Come on! Come on! You can do it! Ah! Yeah!
Well... What? 10 points? How?
I think you didn't finish.
I did! No!
It tastes like
I
feet!
fell. Nice Friends reference. No, okay, I fell right at the last moment. I
yeah.
should have brake. I should have used the brake.
So, if I'm going to win this, I'm gonna dedicate my win for the Alliance. Just to make you a little bit more mad.
See? You made me freaking miss the beginning. But, okay. Luke Tarogar for the Horde!
Yeah, yeah. No! You see? No!
Yeah, in case you haven't noticed, me and PJay are a bit of fans of the Warcraft universe.
Yeah, but you are very much more
Yeah, okay.
into it. I was into it a long time
Hey,
ago.
I'm posing!
Yeah, awesome. So, why do you let me win? No! No, what's that?
You were saying?
No, nothing. Oh, no, no.
Oh, not the freaking Ledge of Doom.
No.
Hey!
What's that?
I got to respawn a tiny bit sooner.
Yeah. I don't know why I don't get this anymore. At the time.
Oh, come on, don't give me a DNF.
Yeah, like this. There it is. There it is. For the Alliance. I think that settles it then. Yeah.
Screw you!
Well played.
Well played,
Well
man.
played, man.
Well played.
Alright. That's the Schitt Pit for this week. I win. You lose.
Yeah.
And alright. Please, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel, do some comments.
Share it.
Share it. And we'll see you next week at the next Schitt Pit. Bye.
See ya.